Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Roblox showing fail to connect to game or kicking you out before a game even loads with a server error? Here's exactly what causes this and how to fix it. First, check if Roblox is currently down. Open Safari or Google on your iPhone and go to status.roblox.com and then check if Roblox servers are having issues and nothing you do on your device will help. If there is, you will just need to wait. On June 2, 2026, Roblox had a real server outage and this exact error spiked. If status.roblox.com shows all clear, the issue is on your end. Go to settings, turn airplane mode on, wait for 15 seconds and then turn it off. This resets your connection to Roblox servers from scratch. After resetting, go ahead to your Roblox app and try rejoining a game again. If it still fails, go to settings, then go to general, scroll down to VPN and device management and make sure no VPN is running. VPN causes fail to connect errors in Roblox constantly. Also, try switching from Wi-Fi to VPN setting to see if your Wi-Fi network is blocking Roblox. So, all you've got to do is check status.roblox.com first. The airplane mode reset also will work. Turn off VPN and try on mobile data. Roblox will connect to servers and that's it. Subscribe for more Roblox fixes.